Shoes. We love them, but how exactly do we store them? My name is Leona, and in today's episode of Products You'll Love, we will be talking about shoe storage solutions. Boxes, shelves, racks, even whole closets are dedicated to storing your shoes. In today's episode, we will be focusing on 4 products that are easily available at all homes.
If you're looking for a shoe storage solution that's easy to place anywhere, you'll probably like this City Life single-tier modular drawer. Made of highly durable plastic, this storage solution is clear so that you can easily spot the pair that you're looking for.
I love how you can clearly see the contents of the storage box. Also, if you don't have enough wall space or floor space, guess what? You can easily fit it under the bed.
Now, if you're like me who only uses a couple of shoes on constant rotation, then this wood grain 2-tier rack just might be for you. It easily fits 6 pairs of adult shoes and 4 pairs of children's shoes. But if you have limited space at home and haven't decided yet where to put your shoe rack, you can always pick this 5-tier revolving shoe stand. An enormous amount of shoes can be organized with this revolving shoe rack stand. With a metal base and metal pole holding all 5 tiers, this shoe rack won't tip over. Each tier of our shoe rack rotates, making it swift and easy to find the shoes you are looking for. And finally, if you're looking for a shoe rack with added functionality, then the L-shaped shoe bench is the way to go. This 3-tier shoe rack has a padded seat made of PVC leather and a black metal frame, making it extra durable. It'll help support you as you lace up and go.
That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Products You'll Love. We still have a lot more options when it comes to shoe storage, so check them out at www.allhome.com.ph. As always, we would love for you to like, share, and subscribe to All Home's official YouTube channel. Please come back as we have a ton more episodes coming. Again, my name is Leona, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!